Don't be fooled by my imposing demeanor. In fact, I'm very delicate. The days in the past were tough. The routines of eating, drinking, relieving oneself, and sleeping are cumbersome and chaotic. Young people find it troublesome to deal with us. It's not easy for us as cows, until the wave of digital intelligence in animal husbandry came along. This is a stubborn wind. In 1998, a 16-year-old youth entered this industry. From traditional manual farming to mechanization, intensification, and automation, time slowly fermented. Today, Imetec has become a national high-tech enterprise, focusing on the full-chain supply of smart equipment for farms, and dedicated to solving the pain points and challenges in the farming industry. Currently, Imetec offers 8 major series and over 200 smart products, including feeding, pushing, collecting, and manure return to the fields, providing comprehensive, nanny-style services for farms.